the Galaxy A52 was benchmarked, and it revealed the processor that's gonna be powering the device. We also have renders revealing what the A52 is gonna look like. Also, the latest from Samsung's newest F lineup, the Galaxy F62, is gonna be powered by last year's flagship processor. And it's not gonna be the only smartphone to use an older chipset. The Oppo Reno 5 Pro Plus 5G is also gonna be powered by a previous generation flagship processor. If you want to stay up to date with the latest tech news, then definitely subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future videos. So the Oppo Reno 5 series includes the Reno 5 and the Reno 5 Pro. But there's gonna be a third variant, the Reno 5 Pro Plus. The leak is coming from a tipster known as Ylab on Weibo. According to him, the Oppo Reno 5 Pro Plus will have the world's first 50-megapixel Sony IMX7 sensor as its primary sensor, and is allegedly gonna be powered by the Snapdragon 865 chipset. In comparison, the entry-level Reno 5 is expected to come with a Snapdragon 765G chipset, while the 5 Pro will be powered by MediaTek's Dimensity 1000 chipset. So all three variants are totally different in the processor department. Samsung's latest smartphone on its new lineup, the Galaxy F62, is gearing up to be a pretty powerful mid-range device. It's gonna be powered by last year's Exynos 9825 that powered the international variants of the Note 10 series. And it's gonna be paired with 6GB of RAM and will run Android 11 out of the box. And since it's a mid-range device, we can expect an AMOLED display with multiple cameras, a beefy battery, and fast charging support. It's expected to launch in the first quarter of 2021, so we would most likely see it after the S21 series. Also on Samsung's mid-range devices, the Galaxy A51 was the best-selling Android phone of 2020, and Samsung is looking to maintain that with the Galaxy A52. The renders of the A52 has been leaked, courtesy of OnLeaks, and it just shows that Samsung isn't gonna fix what isn't broken. It's gonna share the exact same design as the Galaxy A51, and a fingerprint sensor under the Super AMOLED Infinity O display. There's no word on the refresh rate of the display, but it'll be nice to see a higher refresh rate on the A52, especially as much cheaper devices now have higher refresh rates on their display. The Geekbench 5 scores of the A52 were also revealed, and it gives an idea of the processor that will be powering the device. So the device with the model number SMA526B, which is the model number for the A52, got a single core score of 298 and a multi-core score of 1001. And these scores reflect the performance of the Snapdragon 750 chipset. So the Galaxy A52 is likely to be powered by the Snapdragon 750. Anyway, let me know what you think about the Galaxy A52 in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one.